Good morning, everybody, and good afternoon to me. I am very proud to announce that it is almost 4 p.m. here where I am, and I've taken a majority of the day off. I finally caught up on some packages. I splurged on a super nice hotel for myself, which I'm very comfortable at. I have arrived safely in Lubbock, Texas, and I'm loving it. Love this heat. Love all the antique malls. I'm probably gonna go antiquing all day tomorrow, but I went to Best Buy, which was conveniently located 0.2 miles from my hotel. I got my microphone fixed. I went to Walmart. I got more envelopes so I can catch up on those little tiny first-class items that you ordered that I am late shipping. And I'm gonna take a quick walk around Antique Mall of Lubbock. Like I said, I'm gonna do the majority of my shopping tomorrow, but I thought it would be nice to get out of the hotel room just for a little bit in the meantime. Very cool, very cool. Oh, I see a lot of stuff I like, but this is what's really getting my attention right now. Oh my gosh, how cute. What is this one? Wait, oh, cachet. I thought it said crack at first. I was like, what? Okay, we're gonna have to look into some of these for sure. Oh my gosh, fabulous. Oh, look at this one. About to clean this place out. Well, unfortunately, these ones have damage, so I'm gonna put those back. And these ones are not damaged, however, they're $15 each. So much for that. Whoa, okay, so this is definitely the first thing I see. This one's at 12, and I'm here for it. That's amazing. I don't know if I'm gonna sell it or keep it. I really like that one. What else do we have? Wow, right off the bat, too. That's so fabulous. Oh, how cute. Some more little doodads. This one's $7.50. That's totally fair. What about this one? I think this one's celluloid. $6.50. That's pretty cute. Little hair clip. Wow, there's so much stuff packed in here. This whole thing is like all cases. What about what's in here? Oh, this one's locked. Dang. I see the bangles in there. Those are super fun. Oh my gosh. Maybe I'll go back because I want to go through this whole place before I ask for keys, honestly. Oh my gosh, look at all this fun stuff. Oh, wow. Love those shell earrings. The shell purses. Love that gold wallet. That's neat too. They got all kinds of stuff in here. My cash flow is kind of depleted until tomorrow, honestly. Which is why I'm not going completely crazy. So I'm kind of on a tight budget today, but this is like right down the street from where I'm staying. Oh, such fun jewelry. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. 25. What is going on here? Oh, that's fabulous. I feel like I could still make money off that, honestly. I'm not really sure what... Is he supposed to be smoking or something? What does that Santa Claus tag say? Does it say 98? Is that what that says? I'm gonna assume that's what that says. It's a My Toy. It's even got the original tag. Oh my gosh. Wait, look at the little celluloid cupies. Oh, this place is fantastic. Oh my gosh, and I'm obsessed with the vintage children's suspenders. How fantastic. I know I've like said fantastic so many times, but I don't really know how else to describe this. Oh my gosh. Okay, first of all, I see Unita dolls. Oh, whoa. Like all of this. That monkey. What is that hamburger? Is that a hamburger radio? I thought it was a purse for a second. I think it is a radio. Oh my gosh. Look at the... Oh, ice cream. I need to know what's going on. I think that's Flag Flex in the background. Oh, I might have to go a little overboard unexpectedly here. Well, I see the deer pin and the owls. Oh my gosh, there's so many good ones in here. Unfortunately, it looks like this whole place is cases, so I'm gonna have to get over my whole case thing because I see a lot in here. And that deer is only at $3. I think the owl says $5. Oh my gosh, the little cat says $5. That's fantastic. It's next to the owl. I can't lie, I've been a little overwhelmed and just kind of spaced out looking at everything in the cases here. I'm also now just noticing I've barely scratched the surface. It's not all cases. This place goes way, way back. And I wasn't anticipating what's probably about to happen. Oh my gosh. Look at that cookie jar. What is that? The daisies? What's the daisies? Oh my gosh, this hat. Look at that thing. That is life. Wow. Oh my gosh, their glass situation is amazing too. And it's not unreasonably priced either. Now there's something over here. Look at that. That's fabulous. Oh my gosh. I just thought I was gonna go like kind of space out and walk around for a little bit and maybe grab a knickknack or two. This is like a whole thing. Dude, look at the freaking, oh my gosh, look at the paper dolls. Whoa. Major whoa. Oh my gosh, Barbara Betty, movie starlets. Oh, Lucille Ball. This is amazing. And look at what's happening in here. The strawberry guy, I don't see a price on him. It's probably on the other side. Wait a minute. Oh, it's repaired. That's why. The Holt Howard Jam. Still that pixie wear. Oh my gosh, and the little cats. Dude. This is a lot to take in right now. I'm like, maybe I should just leave. Look at the Dev perfume bottles. Oh my gosh. The measuring tape pincushion doll. Those red cowboy boots. I'm just like naming things at this point. 40% off in this booth. I'm still really caught up on the Holt Howard Pixie wear. I mean, there's like a lot going on in here. Wow. Oh, look at the bookmarks. So pretty. And the risque. Oh, this is so epic right now. Look at those. Those are amazing. The Victorian cards. And like, what? It's like a full-blown drugstore in here. No kidding. Like, look at all this stuff. Handy midget darning cotton with cats on the box. Oh my gosh, wait, stop. Look at these. Are these dance cards? Oh, I'm so overwhelmed. Might have to come back here tomorrow morning. Oh, it's string. How cute. I'm just kind of taking it all in right now. I need to calm down before I start grabbing stuff. Like, what? Oh my gosh. Whoa. Sugar leaf. $3 each. As is. Still. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking cool, man. Whoa. Ranch girl. Ooh. Startled myself. $19 firm. That's so fabulous. I kind of just want a lot of stuff for myself here. This is very much so my style. And what is the... Look at the Kirkman cleanser. How cute. I love the ones with the crazy graphics like that. I can't believe how many things are like in pristine condition. Piggly Wiggly Supermarket Scissor Sharpener? Dude, what? Oh. I definitely didn't carve out enough time to be here. Look at these. Oh my gosh. I didn't even look behind me. Coffee. Oh. How do you even acquire so much stuff like this? Look at all the old bobby pins. Majorette bobby pins. Oh my gosh. Wait, stop. Oh my gosh. Well, I have to get the ones that say Majorette on them. These are amazing, like all of them. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to continue filming in here because I'm just so enjoying this place. And I haven't even gotten into the aisles. I haven't even gone through most of the cases I want to go through. Well, I didn't even come close to finishing out there, but I did decide to take a look through the booths. Oh my gosh, I wish that wasn't broken. That's fabulous. I did decide to take a look through the booths before I went overboard in that area. I've got a lot of really fun stuff in here. It's just like a really special vibe. Oh, wow. Look at these bottles. The Pop Shop. What's this head face? She's kind of fabulous. 30. Okay, well, I just realized that I've been talking to myself because my camera wasn't on. I was saying I could stay in this place literally for days. I mean, as much as I'm in and out at antique malls, this has a huge tear in it. I'm not so sure about that. It's only $5, but still, the damage is pretty severe. I usually like to be in and out in antique malls, but this is the kind of place that makes me just want to turn my camera off and spend days, like literally days. What's this bank? I feel like I need a basket. It is a cuss bank. How fabulous. I love these. $20. That's a pretty decent price for a collector. I don't think I could get much more out of that. Although I will say that one's in pretty good shape considering the ones I usually find are like smothered in paint loss. Wow, double-sided owls. Fabulous. Owl sugar and creamer, right? Is it for the pair? 15? Yeah, that's a really good price. It's like $7.50 each. Oh my gosh. Like what? Wait, does the hanger actually have a tag on it? 20 each? Oh, that one's really broken. That's why it's so cheap. I was gonna say, those are like never for sale when you do see them at antique malls. They're super coveted, and if you happen to find one for sale, it's very expensive. Oh my gosh, wait, look at this dress I'm about to pull out. How fantastic is that? $45, that's fabulous. Oh my gosh, I just want to touch this. Look at that. That is gorgeous. $28? Are you serious? That's amazing. That is like one of the prettiest things I've ever seen. And it's very well priced. How romantic. I actually think I'm going to take a better look at that. And like, look at this top. I just want all of it. Oh, that's fantastic. I don't even think that would fit me. Maybe it would. Maybe I'll try it. Well, I got good news and bad news. The good news is I love it here. The bad news is I love it here so much, I am actually turning off my camera. I've officially driven all across the country and back multiple times, and it seems the only place I really want to be is Central to West Texas. So That's bad news for me because I asked my boyfriend again if he wants to move and he said no. But I'm gonna go in and enjoy the last hour of this fabulous, fabulous, fabulous antique mall. I had to sit outside on this bench and calm down.